This 2018 Forest River FR3 30DS is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, air conditioning, refrigerator, TV, Slideout, Skylight, microwave, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2018 Forest River FR3 30DS is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a V10, 320 HP engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.